Here is how to watch The Chosen Season 5 and all other seasons for free from almost anywhere on the planet. You're gonna go on watch.thechosen.tv, and don't worry, I'll put the link in the description so you don't have to look for it. And once you arrive on the website, if you go on seasons, you see you have all the seasons available. And if you click on season 5, for instance, which is the most recent, you see that it appears and it has this little icon locked. This is because you are not connected, okay? It is for free, available on this website legally, but you need to create an account. So you go on sign up and you create an account with Google, Facebook, Apple, or with your email. It's completely free. And then you will have access to all the episodes without the little lock icon, which means you can watch them for free. And once you launch an episode, you can see with the player here in the settings that you can choose the audio you want and the language you want to. And as well, if you want, you can also choose the subtitles that you need to watch and understand fully what is being said. And this is completely free and completely legal. Like and subscribe if it was useful.